Layover as an accessorial or as a fee that's added to your freight bill. Layovers happen when a driver is needing to stay overnight at a pickup or delivery location, and this usually happens if he can't offload or load when he was supposed to get there for pickup, either by fault of his own or by fault of the shipping location. The hours might not match. For time arrival and time of pickup, so then layovers will apply. And our industry say standards are 150 for dry van, 250 to 300 for reefer, flatbed or step deck, double drop, RGN. But in reality, it comes down to the carrier and what their costs are, right? So you might get, where standard is 150, you might get a 250 charge. It makes sense if a layover is kind of delaying the entire week for the driver, which could very well happen. Um, you might see a charge of 300 instead of 150. My suggestion would be to negotiate and to try to find a price that works for both parties involved, unless of course you have this in your SLAs and your general contracts. If you have that in there and both parties have signed off on 150, then it's going to be 150. So again, layover is an important accessorial fee that a lot of people need to understand that it will happen, and it does happen more often than you would even think.